For each of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, we have some numerals written down. So we have to give the face value, place value, and total value of each of the underlined digits below. So let's go about doing just that. Okay, so if we have a look at number 1, we have, remember how this works? This is the ones period, this is the thousands period, and this is the millions period. So we have 86,954,021. So if we have to give the face value and the place value and then the total value of the underlined digit, let's go about doing that. So the underlined digit is a 6, and that's its place value. Face value, I should say. That's its face value. The place value is the ones of millions. So, and the total value is the face value multiplied by the place value. So that's going to be 6 times a million, which is 6 million. And that's the first one done. This one here is number 2. So number 2, again, same deal. This here is our ones period. This one here is our thousands period. And this one here is our millions period. And we see here we've got 564,065,214. So we need the face value. We need the place value, and that will give us our total value. So the face value of the underlined digit is 5. That's just what it is when you look at it. And the place value, well, it's in the millions period, so it's, remember this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, so it's hundreds of millions. So let's just write 100 and then a million. And the total value is the face value multiplied by the place value. So 5 times 100 million is 500 million. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Finished. This is number 3, and we have, again, let's just go through it. So that's the ones period, that's the thousands period, and this is the millions period. So the number reads 84,809,115. The underlined digit in this case is the 9. So we need the face value, we need the place value, and we need the total value. So the face value of the underlined digit is 9 because it is just as it looks, 9. Place value, well, we're in the thousands period, and remember this is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds, so we've got 9,000 ones, so it's in the thousands. Yep, so this is the thousands, the ones of thousands, so that's ones of thousands, that's 1,000. And the total value is just face value times place value, so 9 times 1,000, which means the total value is 9,000. And again, that one is now done. And the last one here is 39. The underlined digit is the 3. So face value, place value, total value. So face value of the underlined digit is 3 because that's what it is when you look at it. The place value, now we're in the ones period here, and we're in the, that's the ones, that's the tens, that's the hundreds, there's no hundreds. So we've got the 3 is in the tens column, so the place value is tens, and the total value is face value times place value, which is 30. And again, that's all you have to be able to do.